In today's digital era, animated videos are becoming increasingly popular, captivating audiences with their captivating stories and stunning visuals. However, making animations was once a difficult task that required specialized expertise and software. Thankfully, things have changed. With the help of artificial intelligence, animators now have powerful tools at their fingertips that can simplify their workflow, boost creativity, and create unique animations. And in today's video, we will be talking about how to make an animated cartoon video with AI. Before we start the tutorial, make sure to like and subscribe to Learn How to Make Money Online. Step 1. Generate a script using ChatGPT. ChatGPT will generate all kinds of stories and scripts for you as long as you know how to write good prompts. A good story requires a good theme. To write a video script with ChatGPT, go to the platform and type in a detailed prompt. If you're not sure what theme to choose, you can ask ChatGPT and pick a story theme that interests you most. For example, you could ask for stories that children, teenagers, or YouTubers typically enjoy watching. And if you have a theme in mind, ask ChatGPT to generate a story directly. Instead of just asking for a story about something, try giving specific instructions like a story about dinosaurs in a kid-friendly style, or a short dinosaur story in 200 words. Adding some requirements to your query will always increase the chance of you getting a story that you'll enjoy. Include the video's purpose, target audience, tone, and key messages or points you wish to convey. Step 2. Generate an AI video. Now that we have our story, the next step is to give life to it through animation. And for this, we're going to use a tool called steveai. steveai is a powerful and user-friendly animation tool that allows you to create professional-looking animated videos with thousands of props, characters, and backgrounds. Visit the steveai website and download the software to your computer. If you are new to steveai, you will need to sign up for an account. It is free and easy to use. Simply click on the Sign Up for Free button and create an account using your email address or by linking your Google account. Once you have successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the Creator page where you can start developing your video. Here, you will find various options like text to animation, text to video, blog to video, audio to video, and more. Now you will have to select the type of video you want to create. Since we're making an animation, click on Text to Animation. steveai offers various animation types, including 2D, 3D, and stop motion. Select the type of animation you want to create and begin the process. Then, select the video ratio. The standard ratio for YouTube videos is 16:9. After that, choose the category for your video and give it a title. This helps organize your work and gives viewers an idea of what to expect. After setting up your video details, click on Create Sample Script for steveai to generate a sample script based on the information you provided. Now, it's time to clear up the sample script and input your own story into steveai. Head back to ChatGPT, copy your story, and paste it into the text box provided in steveai. This is where your creativity takes center stage as you craft a unique story. Once your story is entered, browse through the options and choose a template that fits the tone and style of your story. This is where the AI generates visuals and storyboards based on your script. After the scenes are generated, make sure to review each one carefully. You can make changes to backgrounds, props, and characters to ensure they align with your story. Step 3. Generate a voiceover with AI. Now comes the most fun step we need to create a voiceover for our story using AI. If you want to use your voice, just open the default voice recorder on your mobile phone and start recording your voice. However, if you prefer an AI-generated voiceover, you can do so for free using steveai. steveai offers various models like Joanna, each with different languages, accents, and genders. Start by opening the scene to which you want to add the voiceover and click the Add Voiceover option. Now you will be asked to choose the language, gender, and accent for the voice. You can choose from the various options available, such as English, French, Spanish, and Italian, with accents like American, British, Australian, and Indian. In this video, I'll be selecting the free voice model, Joanna. Once you've selected your voice model, click Generate Voice to add the voiceover to your scene. This AI-generated narration sounds very natural and enhances the storytelling experience. Additionally, you have the option to adjust the background music to complement the scene further, adding more depth and emotion to your animation. To customize characters, click on the character you want to change. You can modify their actions or gestures to fit the dialogue or scene. You can also swap out characters entirely, choosing from a variety of options. Make sure to select characters without a star icon, as those are free to use. Next, let's customize the characters in your scene. Click on the character you want to change, and you'll have the option to modify their actions or gestures to fit with the dialogue or scene. You can also swap out characters entirely, choosing from a variety of options available. Just make sure to select characters without a star icon, as those are free to use. For example, if you want a Monkey Doctor character for your story, simply click on the Character tab and choose the Monkey Doctor option. Then, arrange the character within the scene as desired. Once you are happy with the way the characters sound and look in your animation, arrange everything in the scene to make it visually pleasing. Think about where each object and character should go to make the scene easy to follow and exciting. Take your time to get it perfect, so the entire story comes together smoothly. This way, the animation will be engaging and enjoyable for your audience. Step 4. Download and share. Once the video has been completed, click on the download option to get the finished product. Now that your animation video is complete, it is time to export and share it with the viewers. Choose the appropriate video format and resolution based on the platform like YouTube or social media where it is to be uploaded. The next step is to upload your video and let people see it. Remember to listen to what they have to say about your animated cartoon. Their feedback can help you get even better at making animations and let your creativity shine even more. Making an animated cartoon video with AI is a fun and innovative way to bring your ideas to life. By utilizing the power of artificial intelligence, you can save time and effort while still producing high-quality videos that captivate your audience. Now you know how to make the video, but do you know how to create thumbnails? Watch this video to find out how I use free AI tools for thumbnails creation.